This is the new Fostex TH909. It's an open-backed flagship headphone, and as you can probably tell just by looking at it, it's based on the closed-back TH900. Now, Fostex has carried over the beautiful hand-lacquered urushi wood-finished ear cups, as well as the 50mm biocellulose driver. Now, new on the 909 is this semi-open metal grille, which has allowed Fostex to tune the sound a little differently from the TH900. So overall, the 909 sounds a bit more natural and less V-shaped than the 900. Now, the bass response is still stunning, but it's not quite as overwhelming, and the treble has been tamed just a little so that it's not quite as prone to sibilance. Now though, with the 909, the upper mid-range is more prominent. So I tend to think that the 909 sounds really great with jazz music because it tends to bring out the texture of vocals and saxophone. However, the same upper mid-range emphasis makes the 909 sound a bit too aggressive with some pop or electronic tracks. Now, I think the 909 really does sound special with the right tracks, and if you're a fan of that kind of classic vocal forward tuning from Japanese companies like Audio-Technica and Fostex, you owe it to yourself to have a listen to the 909. This is Lachlan for Minidisc TV. See ya.